welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to Vlogmas 2020. So everything that can happen has happened to me starting this Vlogmas this year. This is the first year I've done it. I'm trying to stay on key with it. I'm very behind on my videos, but I'm trying to put them together so that you may see, like today, when I open up the advent calendar, we're going to have the 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th. So, and I think 18. So, because today's the 18th. So I'm trying to catch up till now, and then I'll try and do separate ones the rest of the Vlogmas. So hopefully you all are doing good and watched my last video. I tested positive for COVID on Monday. So today's Friday. Today's Friday. I tested positive Monday. I knew I had something going on Saturday and Sunday. And then Monday, my husband and I went in and got tested. So I have COVID. It's been an experience. It's been so random. I was worried I was going to get it much worse than I have. My symptoms started with like chills, kind of shaking, chills, feverish, a little cough. My throat started hurting. You guys can hear it, my voice still. That went away. The next day came and had different symptoms. So the only symptom I know I'm not having, I don't have fever. I never got a fever. My husband has had like a low-grade fever, but I have not gotten that. So I'm allowed to get out of isolation, I guess you could say, on the 23rd, which is 2 days before Christmas. My kids are here. My son has the girls this year. And my husband and I will stay away from all of our children and grandchildren for a little longer, just to make sure that we're not passing anything on, that the house is clean from COVID. Just all of that stuff needs to be done before we can have our Christmas together. So our Christmas together is not going to be on Christmas. And yes, it really makes me sad. I have cried about it. I've been frustrated about it. But the greatest gift that I can get is that my kids and my grandkids are safe and none of them are sick. So thank you, Jesus, that only my husband and I have been affected by this. And no, I don't want my husband to get it either, but he's always with me too. You know, since I broke the arm, there's the arm. It's been a downhill. Oh, I get it like this. 2020 out the door, 2021, come on in. Let's make this better, right? So it's just been a heck of a year. We've had 3 cruises canceled, okay? I have been diagnosed with fibromyalgia and Sjogren's syndrome, both with new medications. I had gained 50 pounds from the new medication. So there is another not real happy about either. I broke my nose and ran into a pole. I had to have nose surgery in September to fix the deviated septum that happened. 2 days after Thanksgiving, I tripped on a box in the garage and broke my elbow. Like the bone underneath the elbow, the big one is broke off. So I had to have surgery on the 9th to put plates in and screws. And so on the 23rd, I am going back to see what is next. From what I can recollect, you know, before, like when I met with a surgeon, it would be time to put on a cast for 3 weeks. But he told my husband to bring my brace. So I have no idea for sure what that means. It's okay no matter what it is. I don't have a choice. It needs to heal. And no matter how frustrated I get with it, it still needs to heal. So, then I got COVID. So I wouldn't even say bad luck anymore. It's just, just trying to kick me in the butt one more time before 2020 goes out the door. So I'm still going to be positive. I'm going to still look at my kids and grandkids as the biggest blessing that God has gave me, and that they're not sick. So that is my blessing. So why don't we start with Advent Calendar day number 13. So let's see what I got. I'm going to put my glasses on. I'm doing this one-handed. And so left hand here is not my dominant hand. I am right-handed for everything. I've been learning to eat left-handed. I'm getting better at that. But my husband says no kitchen for me because I probably break something, drop something, get burned. Somewhere something's going to happen, right? So let us check out our Advent calendar for today. So remember, guys, one Advent calendar worth of makeup is going to be in a giveaway while I keep the other one. So my sweet husband, let me show you what he did for me. You can see some of them up top. Hopefully you can see where he wrote in marker for me so I could find them. I could not find them. I was having the hardest time. So we are on day 13, which is this one. Let's see what we got inside. Oh, that looks like a pretty blush maybe, or a highlighter. So let me open it. That's pretty. So let's see. I'm going to try and get it out. They don't really have a lip on the container. I guess you could use that as a highlighter or a blush. I would probably use this as a highlighter because it's very light. Yeah, that's super pretty though. So there's that one for the bag. And here's this one. There it is. 13. Okay. So there it is again. So we got 2 of those. Now we're going to look for 14. 14. He does such a good job. Oh, I think it's a lippy. It's purple. So this was number 14. Get the other one out. Got the other one out. So there's 2 of those. That was number 14. So now we're going to get number 15. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Oh, it looks like a lip palette. These type of little ones like this, my granddaughters would love because they're small and they could put them in their pocket. They're 4 and 5 years old, almost 6. Yeah, look how cute that is. 15. There it is. There is number 15 if I can get it out, right? So there's the other one, which is going to go in the other bag. Okay, so I have 16 just down here. So we got a number 16. Hold on, let me open it. It's hard to see, it's very dark. I don't know if this is like an eyeshadow color. I don't know, but to me, there's more like bronzers or highlighters in these type. Yeah, that looks like a bronzer. It's pretty. So that is number 16. Boy, I'm building up stuff over here. 16. the other one. So that is 16. We got 2 more days to catch up to today. So let me look for 17. 17. Looks like an eyeshadow. Okay, there's that one. I'm going to open it though so you can see it better. Boy, you're set on makeup with whoever wins this. And you know, no, it doesn't have to be high quality. It's just fun to have different fit makeups and different colors, and that's pretty. That's got some purplies in them. So there's that one. That was number 17. So let me get number 17 out of here. Yep, there it is. That's the other one. And now we're gonna do today, which is 18. Oh my gosh, so far behind, so far behind. 18, I just seen it earlier. Okay. This was 18. This is a full size. Let me see. Oh, it's kind of a red color. I don't know if I can. Okay, so that is number 18 for today. So let's get the other one out. There is one more. And there's the other. Okay, so let me move these out of the way. So the 18th, this goes through the 24th. So we only have a few more days. Everybody, that was all of my advent calendars up until today. Cannot believe it is already December the 18th. Like I said, it's been a rough year. Looking forward to a better year coming up. Still completely blessed. And so my giveaway, so far, this is 1 advent calendar. And this is 2 advent calendars. So, what, 5 more days? 19, 20, 6 more days. And I will do a separate video for the giveaway. And I just kind of tell you up front, you will need to be subscribed to my channel, like the video that I do, follow me on Instagram, and I will pick a random winner from my Instagram. I have a 250 subscriber giveaway that I am collecting my items for. So that's going to be a big giveaway. I can't wait for that. I'm at 144, I think, right now. Kind of staying stagnant. I'm unable to, as you know, post as many videos as I would like to. I'm finally starting to feel a little bit better today. So, and the sun's outside. I'm looking out the window. I'm talking to you. It's just beautiful. But it is only like 40 degrees out there. I'm in Arkansas, and it is beautiful here in Arkansas. We get more ice than snow, but you know, I'm a warm person. I like the beach, and I could even cozy up to a fire at the beach, right? So, okay, guys, thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for commenting. I appreciate you guys so much. Thanks for liking my video. And if you're new here, my name is Lorrie. There's a whole bunch of stuff going on here. I do makeup, I do skincare, I do lifestyle, I do cooking, I do travel when we can travel. That is my main passion and love. I also do subscription boxes and giveaways. So if any of those interest you, please click below the subscribe and then the bell so that you know when I'm out. Also, the like button for my video if you like it, because it does help to push my video out to more people to get more subscribers. So Thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank you to everybody. I appreciate the prayers and the thoughts for my illness, and I'm on the road to recovery, okay? So, love you all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.